we have to do both sides. We no longer have the availability of just applying a symmetry modifier because that would remove all of the work that we've done on this hood. So we do need to make sure that we come in and just pull these down, just trying to get that information of the t-shirt. Now you don't have to go all the way out to the edges. We just want to make sure that we go down far enough that the coat can cover it. Okay, and you want to make sure that you're pulling up the points, making sure that they match, like along the collar here. They don't have to go all the way around. Okay, and they don't have to match up absolutely perfectly just yet. Okay, so I'm just going to pull this down to the t-shirt on all of this. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, this is okay for right now. We're not going to be able to see any of this anyway underneath the coat, so we'll just bake that out. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and we'll pull this down, and I'm going to pull all of these. Actually, you know what? Let's actually go back. I think it would be safer to go ahead and have those vertices that were on the sweater to be on the sweater itself. Down over the shirt there. Okay, yeah, so just make sure that that's on top of the sweater. It's just this geometry right here to capture the t-shirt. Okay, and it's just capturing that normal. Alright, so we're looking good at this point. Got all of that integrated in. And then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and unhide all. Okay, and so you can see that that's fitting perfectly underneath there. We can see the t-shirt, and that's going to be great. All right, awesome. So now we have the low poly head, the eyes, eyelashes, the hood. We even have the hair. I have enough time to go ahead and just take care of this right now. There's 3 pieces to each strand, and we only have 2 strands of hair. So I'm just going to select those and isolate them. And then I'm just going to select one, and actually let's select all of them really quickly. Right click, convert to editable poly. I'm going to select one of these. In this lesson we're going to retopologize the coat. Before we begin on the coat really quickly, I forgot one step. We went ahead and we attached all the pieces for the hair, but you'll see that we still have the different elements. What I want to do is go to vertex mode, select all the vertices in the hair, and then just simply hit weld. And we'll set this to around 0.001. And you'll see that we had 60 and now we're down to 45. Hit OK. And then now what should happen is whenever we go to element, select just a single element for each strand of hair. Okay, go ahead and select both of those, and I want to change their smoothing group to where they're all on a single smoothing group. Okay, good. All right, so nice smooth hair there. All right, so let's go ahead and start on the coat. We can isolate it, whatever we want to do here. I'm going to go ahead and just isolate that and go to our front view, drag one out. Okay, it doesn't matter really what size it is. And pull this forward. Okay, just like so. And then we're going to hold down Control, right click, and use Poly Draw Extend. And we're going to start creating the start using Poly Draw Extend. Make sure that you go to Poly Draw. Actually, let's turn that off really quickly. Go to Poly Draw and then make sure that we're using the coat, because it's still going to use the hood. Even though it's hidden, it will still use that surface. So Control right click, Poly Draw Extend, and then there we go. So let's go ahead and start creating the polygons that we need around the ridge of the coat. And usually what I like to do whenever I start out on things like this is just working in the loops that are absolutely necessary. Now this coat is mostly symmetrical in its major forms. Some of the different details are asymmetrical, so I'm going to only build half So I'm going to build the main loops first, and then we'll build in between that. So I'm just going to hold down Shift, and I'm just going to continue dragging these out, keeping the polygons